43 years old po, ano pong biggest regret or mistake na nagawa nyo na you find a valuable lesson?
Sa totoo lang wala kasi I go through in life na laging nilalatag ko lahat sa table para there's always no regret. You could always learn a lesson pero there's no regret. Lagi mong latag lahat sa lamesa. Even if tingin mo people would like say no, people would reject it, latag mo lahat para ikaw mismo, you have no regrets on whatever it is that you're going to do. You get lessons if they say no, if you get rejected, pero ikaw mismo, you have no regrets.
Sir, kung babalik kayo sa 20 years old nyo, knowing na alam nyo na po yung mga ganyan na po yung karanasan nyo, ano pong may ibibigay nyo payo sa 20 years old nyo noon?
Kung 20 years old, unang-una sa mga kabataan ngayon, choose better leaders, di ba? Oo, choose better leaders, choose better role model. Know your strengths, know your weaknesses, pero much more, siguro, build on your strengths. Yan. Build on your strengths kasi dun ka talaga, unang-una dun ka kikita, tapos dun mo mabibuild yung kung sino ka talaga in the future. High income skill, low income skill, lahat. Kasi kapag nag-ano ka pa, gamit ko naman lahat yun eh. Pero syempre yun, dun tayo sa high income skill kasi yun yung magpupush sa'yo later on. Kasi you really can't do everything all at once. Diba? I live my life as lahat nilalatag ko sa lamesa, so I really have no regrets on it. Kung ano man yung mga nangyari sa akin, I get lessons from it naman. I'm living a really good life right now. So carry lang lahat yun.